Hi there, this is Trailrider 570, and my good friends at KEMIMOTO have sent me something to do a product review on, and we'll get into that in the next part of this video. Get with you soon. Okay guys, KEMIMOTO asked me to do a review on this product here, and they sent it to me. I received it today. I'm gonna open it up here. We have a box, instructions, and our product we're going to review on. So this is actually what it is. This is a cargo unit for your Ranger, or Rangers I should say, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, say you're working your Ranger and you got to take a bunch of stuff. You end up with a mess like this, you know. They bounce around, they get thrown around. If you got some small screwdrivers and stuff like that, you know, or whatever, they can get caught down on the edges here, screws or whatever, and you say, oh crap, well, what am I going to do? Well, I got the fix for it. Okay, what we got in here, this is made to go with to work with your Polaris Ranger. If it works in your lock and ride system, obviously. So we're going to open this up here and figure out how to open it. We'll be all set. Now that'd be kind of a cool idea, because you can use it for more than just hauling tools. I mean, if you want to organize the back of your Ranger, if you're going on a ride or whatever, you know, it's you could, you know, put little things in there you may need. Mine is pretty much all set up. I got boxes in there to haul my extra stuff, but right here's what they send you. These are made to fit in your lock and ride. And they give you 6 of them. Be careful not to lose them here. We'll be all set. They give us 6 of them here. I can get them out of the bag here, and just like that. We'll go put that one so it doesn't roll. There we go. But then your instruction sheet, they give you a really nice instruction sheet, which I'm going to make use of, obviously. Let's see here how we go. Okay, what we got to do, they give us 6 of them, but we're going to use 4. So I'm going to meet you over here at my Ranger, which is already, I'm using the Ranger actually to hold my camera. So, okay, what they do is they give you these outfits. They fit down the hole here, and I discovered sometimes you got to put something in there just to give them a little bit of lubrication to slide in. It didn't sound right, did it? Help them slide in the pockets. Do is you slide them in. And what I've seen is you don't necessarily have to go all the way in with them. And it's already starting to tighten up. I'm going to put them like this on here. put something in there. Put them in here, because each, I'm going to take a little mallet. Give them a little tap down there. Just get you turned here so you can see what the heck I'm doing here. There we go. Sorry about that. Then we're gonna tap him in too. I'm going to turn these so that they're facing that direction. I'm my own cameraman, so just bear with me. There we go. Then we're going to do this other side the same way. Get my mallet here. We'll pound them in the holes. This here may or may not be issued. Then we're going to go like this, put a little lubrication on them, help them slide into the pockets, and then we'll tighten them up. Yeah, their instructions are really nice, actually. Like that. Okay, then we take our cargo unit. I'm using my phone here to control my camera, so open up the tailgate here. We're going to go like this now and change you. Lock and ride also works for camera systems. Let's see here. Yeah, that looks fairly good. Take our cargo unit here, and it has straps on it with adjustable straps anyway here. They don't really clarify in the instructions exactly what you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the buckle. I wonder if we go like so. I'm going to kind of set them up here a minute. So I'm going to get this set up right here. This is I'm just going to set this on my fuel can for a few minutes here, so I get this figured out. Might be easier for you guys to see. Yeah, I'm my own cameraman, so. But. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out here. Get this out. Get this out. run it through the here. I'm going to run it through my loop here, like so. Now I'll feed it back on there. Feed him back on here. Get him on there just like so. This is the hardest part, is just, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the front half, which would be the back of the unit first for me. Take this apart, get it out of the buckle here, like so. Slide it through here. Like so. And we'll come back up to the buckle. This is the, we got her. And we'll get this one the same way, get it run through here. Get him run through there. This is something I may just end up leaving this in here. I think it will come in really handy for me. Get around and you're going to run through here. Then we get the other side here done. You know what? See if I can get this back out. Be the hardest part. I think I need to go back one more hole over. It's all trial and error. Put this on there. Slide him through the hole here. We almost got her done. Other than I want to redo this side here. And I don't think it's gonna, my can's going to be an issue. Let's see here. Now, for me, just like the only thing you guys would do, it's trial and error. You're gonna figure out where it's gonna work the best for you and all that. Get my hammer set up here, so. We're going to put him right here. Tighten him down. It's like that. Then we're going to take our through here, back through my buckle here, and you're going to ask, I'm going to get you closer here, as far as this has dividers. For the piece. And they're Velcroed, so. Okay. We basically got it on here now. I'm going to get you guys set up where you guys can see a little better. You can see we got all these area here. And they give you an extra buckles on the bottom here, and these actually hook into you got loops in your box, so your Rangers, and these actually go through that loop, go around through the loop in the box here, then we go ahead and we feed it back through. I can get it fed through there, we'll be all right. And this is made of a really good quality material. It's made so you can have one big long pocket, or you can divide it up. And so you can use it either way, basically. I'm trying to get this poked through here. Pulled it out of here. We got her now. Go like that. Let's go like this with you. All these weird angles here, I'm apologizing. Anyway, you got these loops right here, and you got straps right here. Obviously, they give you loops for the front, but the problem is unless you stretch this thing out dead nut center in here, you ain't gonna be able to use all of them, all the straps. But that's no big flipping deal. So we just basically gonna run it through here, run it through here. We go around. This will come in handy for me because I do carry a fair amount of camera equipment when I do my rides, so I can almost put a tripod on here now and transport it fairly easy. Anyway, you can see now, you see this thing here, it's basically in. You say, oh my God, it's so baggy. Okay, right here. See that there? Stretch that baby out. I'm gonna set you up where you can see it better here. We stretch that baby out, you're gonna turn it. And it's all Velcro. We Velcro it to the bottom, then we Velcro it to here. just like so. Then we got another one right over here. Right here. And you just kind of move that out. Run the Velcro down to the floor. And you hook it to the sides. You see what ends up? We got 3 pockets now. So you're going to go for, say you're working in your Ranger. There you go. Throw your tools in there. You can throw your tools in there. Go up here. Say you need a saw. You can throw that in there. And you can go for a ride. You don't have to worry about the crap bouncing around and getting lost. Even the mesh is deep enough. If you notice, it's tight enough. You could throw screws and drill bits in here, and there'd be no issue. And obviously, the KEMIMOTO is right there. I am sponsored by them, but I'm not being partial. But I will say this. I have never received nothing quality-wise from KEMIMOTO that I felt was bad. And quite honestly, look at there. That's what it looks like. You can throw, you got a small cooler. Say you're going for a little ride, you can throw a cooler in here. You could throw, you can use it for more than tools. You can use it for cooler, put a picnic lunch in there. And I have these boxes in here, obviously, but all this lifts out. I can take all this boxes and all this stuff out in about 5 minutes. But say you want to put a small cooler in here, go for a ride, a couple of coolers or whatever you want to do. You can put them in here and you don't have to worry about them bouncing and sliding around. So this is my, at that being said, this is Trailrider 570, and this is my review. They always do that to me. I'm going to call this the cargo carrier unit, and I will give you the correct pronunciation or description in the description below this video of exactly what it is and where you can get it, and I'll give you the part number as well. And yeah, this is my review of it. You can see what it looks like. But anyway, as always, this is KEMIMOTO. I have all these people behind me: Polaris Industries, Mudbusters, KEMIMOTO, of course, help my channel out, and I appreciate each and every one of them, and companies that are willing to help me out. So that being said, this is Trailrider 570 signing off for now, and as I always say, and I'm going to say it now: goodbye and God bless for now, and happy trails until we meet again. You know the song. So I will see you guys later. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go around. I'm going to show this to a few people and see if they're willing to come on camera and let me know what they think. So thank you very much. Bye-bye for now, and God bless.